Introvert, a term that is widely used by many people. But if you think about it rationally, are those people who claim to be introvert are introverts? If I'm gonna say logically, then about 70 to 80% people that claim that they are an introvert aren't. They suffer from social anxiety. They're afraid to go out and talk to people. It's not that they are an introvert and they don't want to. They have the fear of talking to people. They have the fear that they are going to be judged by their words. They're afraid to go out in social situations and talk to people and improve their social skills. They just want to stay in their little comfort zone and call themselves, oh, I didn't go out and talk to people because I'm an introvert. So here I'm going to tell you the basic difference between an introvert and a person who is suffering from social anxiety. An introvert is someone who likes his own company more than others' company. It's not that he is not going to talk to people. It's not that he doesn't want to hang out with people. It's not that he doesn't want to, he doesn't want to go to parties. He doesn't want to do, social stuff. He doesn't want to go out with friends. He wants to, but he enjoys doing activities, doing personal activities alone more. So there are many introvert people like Sundar Pichai, Elon Musk. They are all introverts, but they are good social leaders. They have good social connections. They have good networks. They are CEOs. So the thing is, people who claim that they are introvert, that's why they don't want to go out, they don't want to talk to people, they're lying. They're lying to themselves first, then the world. They have convinced themselves that they are an introvert and that's why they don't do this, socializing stuff. But in reality, they have poor social skills. They haven't worked on their social skills, and that's why they just hide behind the pretext that they are an introvert. So since you have been lying to yourself that you are an introvert, that's why you don't talk to people. So how do you recognize that you are actually an introvert or you are suffering from social anxiety? Well, there is a small test that you can do. Like, it is a basic test that you can apply in your life. Ask yourself, you want to, but you don't. Like, you want to hang out with people. You want to go out on dates. You want to go and talk to people. You want to go and make friends. But you don't. Because you are afraid, you are shy, you are nervous, you are anxious. When you ask yourself this question that you want to, but you don't. When you find out that you want to but you don't, you know that you are suffering from social anxiety and you need to work on that. You need to work on your social skills. You need to work and improve your social skills. And know that in the beginning you are going to be bad. In the beginning nobody is going to like you. In the beginning people are not going to laugh at your jokes. In the beginning people are going to just ignore you. And sometimes people are going to reject you. They don't want to be your friends. And that's going to sting. That's really going to sting. But the thing is, you aren't going to be perfect in the beginning. Just like anything in your life, you have to practice it to become good at it. And the same goes for social skills too. The more people you talk to, the more friendships you make, the more better you're gonna become at it. And the better you become at it, the better you are gonna get rewards. Like, the first person you talk to won't be the best conversation of your life, but the 100 person you talk to might be the best conversation of your life. The 100 person you approach, the 100 person you talk to might become your best friend. So I'm just fast stretching it to the 100, but it's not gonna take that long. You just need some practice and have the humility to accept that you're not an introvert. You want to talk with people, but you just can't because you haven't done that yet. Your parents or anyone, I don't want to blame parents. I just say that they have kept you at home. They have not allowed you to become like friendly with people, and you are also responsible for that. You went to school and you stayed in your own comfort zone and stayed in your own small group, and after the school ended, then you stopped making friends. You thought that I have made so many friends and they left me, so why should I even bother making friends? Friends are not worth it. And there are so many quotes floating around on internet telling you that you should go alone to movies, you should go alone to park, you should go alone to it. Like, where is the fun, man? Where is the fun in going alone? Like, they promote the lone wolf lifestyle, which isn't the right thing to do, because as human beings we crave comradeship, and you know that, right? We crave comradeship. So anytime you notice that you want to hang out with people, you want to go out with them, you want to make friends, but you aren't doing that because you're shy, you're nervous, or you're anxious. So that's a cue to work on yourself and improve your social skills. Go out and approach people, and know that your first few times, your first 100 times is gonna be bad, but after that it's gonna be a natural thing for you. It's gonna be something that you will be proud of, that you actually improved your social skills. So go out and try it out. But if you're naturally introvert, then I know that you don't have social anxiety, you just like your own company like many other people. So that's it for today's video. If you like today's video, please subscribe to us if you haven't yet, because here we help young men become the best version of themselves. So see you in another video, and until then, have a great time.